Welcome to How to Crypto. Today we are looking at how to buy Polygon in the United States for the lowest fees. First, open up the Voyager app. This is going to get us a much better price as well as much lower fees than what Coinbase would. If you don't already have it, use the link in the description to get an extra $25 worth of Bitcoin on your first purchase. Once you're inside, click on USD and then deposit USD and put in any amount of cash that you would like. You can see that the amount that we put in is actually the exact amount that gets added to our USD balance, so it doesn't seem like they even take a fee here. Then go to Polygon, which is MATIC or MATIC. Click on Buy MATIC. We can place a market order if we want to buy right then and there for the best price they can get us, or we can place a limit order if we'd rather hold off for a certain price. Then put in the amount of USD you would like to spend on it and swipe to submit the order. It will fill as soon as it gets a chance. That's as simple as it is. If you need help buying any other cryptos, make sure you comment below and I'll be sure to come out with a tutorial for you. I'll see you next time.